Hello, my name is Abrin Yashar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today I'll walk you through how to migrate your subaccounts in the Swift Sensors console. Our parent and subaccount system helps customers organize their accounts and limit data access between departments or organizations. In order to migrate a subaccount, click on the Admin tab, go to Accounts, click on the gear icon on the left-hand side of your screen, and click on Migrate Account. On my account right now, there's 4 subaccounts: a elementary school, a high school, a middle school, and a school district. I would like the 3 school accounts to be subaccounts of the school district. I can do that by clicking on these accounts, dragging them, and then dropping them on the school district subaccount. Once I have completed my migration, I can click on the list view again, and now my migration is complete. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.